Fugaku is a supercomputer currently being installed at the RIKEN Center for Computational Science in Kobe, Japan. It started development in 2014 as the successor to the K-computer, and it is scheduled to start operating in 2021, although parts of the computer were put into operation in June 2020. The supercomputer is built with the Fujitsu A64FX microprocessor. This CPU is based on the ARM architecture version 8.2a and adopts the scalable vector extensions for supercomputers. Fugaku was aimed to be about 100 times more powerful than the K-computer and have a high level of practicability in the world. Fugaku uses 158,976 A64FX CPUs joined together using Fujitsu's proprietary Tofu interconnect. The final reported performance of Fugaku is a peak of 0.54 exaflops in the FP64 used by the TOP500. Fugaku will use a lightweight multi-kernel operating system named IHK mkernel. The operating system uses both Linux and the mkernel lightweight kernel operating simultaneously and side by side. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.